Caution guys, me saying with this oversized warning vest that there's a warning that space could double from here real fast. So first, let's explain this absolutely crazy jump in the beginning of this week. Now, there was the Bank of America, a big bank in America, well said, actually did a buy rating. They said that Virgin Galactic can double from here. Even though it's not operational so far, they have a pretty good damn chance to double. And if you think about it, just a couple of days, I was like crazy, right? I said, buy, if you have the chance, buy, because $16 per share is absolutely a bargain, okay? And I believe that we have seen a $37 mark already in the February of this year, just because the market went, very high. But imagine this plus the huge PR and marketing with the operational start in 2021, in the early 2021, is an absolutely insane combination, all right? If you are thinking about stocks, don't think, only financials, operations, revenue, and so on. The stock market is so much more dimensional than that. Look, for example, one of the most successful funds, the Renaissance funds, okay? They having an algorithm that trades, very interesting stocks. They traded also Tesla very well. And they are having thousands and thousands of factors that influence the algorithms to buy and sell stocks. And there are things like, seasonality, weather even, okay? So as you can see, even the smartest people on Wall Street don't look only in the numbers or in the revenue. You have to think more than that, okay? Go out of yourself, forget about your ego, okay? Don't forget about, hey, now I missed 20% and I cannot, afford it anymore, I will wait until it goes down. People thought back, in a couple of decades that Amazon will go down from $700, and they were pretty damn wrong. And therefore, I'm super excited for this opportunity, but let's dive much further into space. I would like to talk about Michael COLGLAZIER. As you know, he came to the addition to create the most amazing experience with space. Now, why am I mentioning him even though there's no big news, right? He just started his Instagram, he just posted the second post, as you can see, but there's nothing that is coming out of his mouth or anything that is coming up that people say, wow, he's really doing anything. So many things are happening behind the scenes actually, and I think that he will be one of the key persons that will make the space stock absolutely fly. Why? Think about it. He built a global entertainment destination with Disney around the world, the amusement parks, right? I mean, every one of us was or heard at least about those parks, and how amazing they are, and how great reputation they have, and how well everything is monetized. You coming inside, there's people in costumes, parades, there is merchandise that you can buy. So it's very well thought through, and he is the guy behind the success, okay? And I believe that he is working currently non-stop to make this an absolutely mind-blowing experience. And when Michael COLGLAZIER was presented, there was a small webcast that we listened to here with the Wolf of Dubai members family and chatted about it in the Discord. We have heard Shamash Palihapitiya, who's, normally you're a very straightforward guy, right? I mean, if he's saying something is amazing, then something is amazing, and he's not, sugarcoating anything. So he said that, while they're having those negotiations and conversations, how Michael COLGLAZIER sees space in the future, then you have seen Shamash Palihapitiya saying he blew them out of their socks. Okay, so amazing. So I think that this is something that people don't talk about it yet, but I want to run this topic, and therefore this is very, very important to understand that he will have a very, very, very key role to the success of Virgin Galactic and the stock. Now, what do we need to look for? Because I know what you're saying now, and maybe I can convince you. I know you are thinking, well, we had these jumps, okay? We saw these jumps after the big market that, just brought the stocks up and up to all-time highs, and we saw the stock at $37. And we went down. We went from about $16, $17 to $26, $27, with the, very much forward looking people to look into the space cabin reveal. Then we went into the huge news of Michael COLGLAZIER joining the company to create the best experience, and after, we went down. So what is now important for space stock is, I would love to see some kind of stabilization of $16 and $17, which we might have already. I mean, you have seen the market went really low in the last couple of days, and obviously not that low like in March, but it seems like 16, 17 is the price that people, long-term investors are thinking, this is the price I'm pretty much confident to holding my position and, just adding on top of it. So this is very important as number one lesson from the last days, that don't always try to find the best possible timing, or I will wait and load up a lot of stocks at $14. I was a couple of months, maybe when I started my position, I actually wanted to buy in at 14. But if you're looking then into the chart, 14 was a pretty good deal, right? I mean, this was the lower area of the chart where it hits the overall bottom lines of the 50 or 200 moving averages, and it was a pretty good number. But there's a lot of people thinking that way, and what happens, there's people front running those people that want to buy at 14, and therefore you have this front runner taking all these shares at $15, $16, $17, and the stock just making this move, and then some news can come out anytime, and therefore I love to say the best timing to buy a stock, if you really like it, and if it's a 10x stock candidate, then and you have the cash, then the best time to buy a stock is absolutely right now. Okay, welcome to the conclusion. Thank you very much that you made it so far. Make sure to like this video, ring the bell, subscribe. Now we have done their formalities. Now let's talk about the conclusion. Well, space, Virgin Galactic, stays a fantastic, interesting growth opportunity. As you can see, small things can move the stock pretty well damn high, all right? This is the potential that I see in this stock. The very first time I saw it until now, same conviction, all right? There are some understandable things that, things got moved because this is highly engineering stuff that they're doing. Everything has to be super safe. This should be number one priority. And then you have the team that is absolutely mind-blowing. I mean, put this team on any other company and I'm quite sure that they are successful, okay? And, you have this brilliant team on this brilliant idea, on this brilliant product. I mean, what is there more that you want to have, right? I mean, they're having already the second bigger product already lined up with the point-to-point travel, and I just think that I really believe what Shamas is saying, that this is one of his safest investments, and absolutely mind-blowing which mode they are having with all the time, with all the money that they invested already to build this product. And we are so close to really take off. And as you can see, you rather want to be now already inside the stock than, you know, that the stock goes up first 200% and you just can get, you know, a smaller piece of the cake. And therefore, I would be happy if you join the Space Investors community. I'm here if you have any questions, comment below, okay? And I will get to it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a safe flight.